What's happening, y'all? So today I wanted to do a quick video on Digibyte because it is indeed one of my biggest holdings and my favorite crypto projects. So I would be doing it a big disservice not to talk about it, man. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a quick intro onto what Digibyte is and how it operates, and I'm going to do a little price analysis, but definitely expect some more Digibyte videos to come from this channel. So let's go ahead and get into it. So what exactly is Digibyte and why am I holding so much of it? So Digibyte is one of the safest and fastest as well as longest UTXO blockchains in the crypto community right now as we speak. Digibyte was created on January 10th in 2014 by Jared Tate, who has created one of the most decentralized platforms in my opinion. Jared has also been working on Bitcoin's development team since back in 2012, which gives Digibyte just that much more credibility. And if that wasn't enough, since 2014, Digibyte has always been one of the top 100 performing cryptos out of the 6 that are listed here. With that much being said, Digibyte is definitely something that you may want to keep your eyes on, but I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so don't take it as such. But anyways, back to Digibyte. Digibyte is currently trading in the 8-cent range and is being mined over time with a fixed supply ending in 2035. Speaking of the charts, Digibyte is also available on 100 plus global exchanges, and it is also available on many different wallets and is incredibly fast. So if you wanted to send Digibyte from someone in the United States to someone in China, you could do that within seconds. And no matter how much the amount is, it's also one of the cheapest cryptocurrencies out there when it comes to transaction fees. Many other cryptos also don't have much of a use case other than being a speculative asset. That's completely different with Digibyte, as Digibyte has many use cases, as you can see here. Digibyte has created a simplified way to create digital assets. Digi Assets is a secured, scalable layer on top of the Digibyte blockchain that allows for decentralized insurance of digital assets, tokens, smart contracts, digital identity, and more. This creates limitless possibilities, as Digi Assets can be used to securely represent anything that we find in the physical world of value. Anything from tangible assets such as real estate, cars, anything guys, art, anything like that can be signed. Documents such as deeds, medical bills, and anything else can be protected. And to also go along with the use case of Digi Assets, Digibyte also has the use case of Digi IDs. The Digi ID is a security protocol that is built on the Digibyte blockchain. The Digi ID empowers users to be able to effortlessly log into applications and websites. This is because the Digi ID utilizes both private and public key cryptography, so that means there's no passwords or usernames being involved. Everyone that is working on the Digibyte blockchain is an unpaid volunteer, so this means that everyone that is working on this truly believes in this, because there's no other reason for them to be working on this because they're not being paid. And this is part of the reason why I believe that Digibyte has one of the most organic followings in the crypto space. So now that we're a bit more acquainted with Digibyte, let's take a look at the chart. So far, Digibyte's up a whopping 1,400% on the year, but there's much more room to go. After looking at the chart, I definitely think we'll see 10 cents by the end of April. And then after that, we should see some accumulation. And then after the accumulation, we should see some more upward movement. So with that being said, I definitely believe that we can be nearing a $1 Digibyte towards the end of the year, heading into next year. As far as really long-term price, I really think this can hit $10 within the next 2 to 3 years. We can see a $10 Digibyte. So that's my realistic price analysis right there. That's where I'm thinking the price is going to go. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. That's just how I'm looking at it for right now, because when I look at the 5-year chart, there's definitely a trend of very sharp rises followed by somewhat long periods of accumulation, and then the trend repeats itself, and then there's another sharp rise. But we are definitely in a relatively bullish market, and I am expecting a lot more green days to come. But I am also expecting some red, because as we are in a bullish market, bullish markets are usually followed by bearish markets, and there's a lot of newcomers coming into the crypto space that are buying during this bullish market. So I'm really not too sure how hard this bearish market is going to affect us. So I'm definitely going to have some fun sitting on the side waiting for that time to come. But anyways guys, that's all I've got for today. This is my video on Digibyte. I'm definitely going to have some more videos coming out on Digibyte. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.